Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Boys watching this video for Anushka Sen, girls watching this video for me, and legends are reading the comments while listening to the song. So
GK book में आता था दर्शील. You know, there used to be picture of Obama, there used to be picture of Darshil Safari. I used to always say, whoa, Darshil Safari. This is actually the truth.
Sometimes if you really want a review, you should go on the comment section of the YouTube video. You'll get a lot of things. बहुत कुछ मिलेगा and it'll be entertainment. मजाक भी नहीं करो, popcorn लेके बैठना चाहिए. Cues के time पे she was making faces at me and I was like,
Oh
क्या,
my
why are you making
God.
faces? And I was like, hey, क्या?
Honestly, her shot I'm laughing. Sim, and that's because Mr. Darshil Safari right here, Darshilia, he is making faces. Darshil is gonna make that face again. See.
हम लोग सब ऐसे look के scientist के जैसे लग रहे थे. Look at the PPE kit that Anushka was wearing. You'll come to know everything has to be a fashion statement.
Dude, I actually total fangirl moment. See, I'm not gonna lie. Became friends and all, and then Abhi, you know, now Darshil is like, I'm still a fan of Darshil Safari. Ishan knows.
Keep quiet.
But
So now, if people remember me as Ishan, anything, I'm okay with it. Like, if breaking the mold, breaking that image, I don't think that's much of an issue. Like, there's no worry. Even if for the other next 10 years, people are calling me Ishan, there's no problem. Okay, maybe like even though she's like an unsupportive co-actor, but she's a very supportive friend also. So yeah.
ouch. Joining me for a conversation today is, as I call them, the fresh pair on screen. I'm talking about Anushka and Darshil. Welcome to India Forums, guys. Darshil ko aapne definitely like, he's the Tare Zameen Par boy in everybody's head till date. And Anushka, you keep seeing with us, and she was last seen in Jhansi Ki Rani, of course, playing the very graceful and very disciplined Rani of Jhansi. So glad to have the both of you together. And firstly, I want to congratulate you guys because the song is just doing really good, and everybody is just sort of appreciating it, putting such nice comments in the comment section, which I'm sure you guys must have also seen. So I want to begin by asking you, what was the best like comment or compliment that you got for the song? I think, you know, all the comments were really sweet. I was seeing and everyone was appreciating the newness of the video. Basically, like even Simran, when we were speaking, you know, you told me that, wow, it's like, it's so fresh, it's so new. So I think the best comment which I saw was that they thought it was the most sweetest, the most, you know, like they really liked our chemistry, they really liked the way it was shot, and they saw us and like, you know, Mumbai se hum log, we went to Chandigarh and shot that. So I think, you know, they were really liking it and relating to it, so I really liked that. Right. Darshil, what about you? This was your first music video. I'm going to talk more about that later, but tell me like about the response and all of that.
You know of this comment called Binod, right? I was wondering, what the hell is Binod, man? Everyone's just spamming Binod. तो बोला ये हो क्या रहा है?
विनोद थरू बोले विनोद बस विनोद.
And when I found out that, you know, it just becomes so. I mean, once see Anushka, you need to do your research about these things. Okay, very bad.
Yeah.
Know what Binod is? Okay, it's something so random and so weird, but so funny also, na, at the same time. So you should just see, they're just putting the comment Binod. So for 1 second I thought that Binod was one of a cast, koi crew mein hoga or someone like that. So I'm not understanding. But then I saw it, when I did my research on it. So Slay Point ka kuch hai. I think you read about it, na, you'll find it damn funny, Anushka.
So basically, I'm going to tell this to her later. Like I'll tell you because I've the whole thing because I was just like, क्या है? मतलब कौन है ये?
Yeah. So that.
So yeah. So
right,
yeah,
right.
even
That was
live
one.
on Instagram.
And there was one really funny one where they said something ki boys watching this video for Anushka Sen, girls watching this video for me, and legends are reading the comments while listening to the song. So that was another one that I found
that was
funny.
fun.
Yeah, there's some really creative people. I'm not joking. हमारा social media जो use कर रहा है ना, India में especially, they're super creative. Okay, and they have a very good judgmental, मतलब जिस तरीके से वो judge करते हैं ना, this is so good and so like एकदम keen eyes के साथ ना. So sometimes if you really want a review, you should go on the comment section of the YouTube video. You'll get a lot of things. बहुत कुछ मिलेगा and it'll be entertainment. मजाक भी नहीं करो, पॉपकॉर्न लेके बैठना चाहिए.
Amazing. Acha, now Darshil, I want to know that I'm sure this wasn't the first project for a music video that must be offered to you. Why
Yeah.
Pyar Na, not anything else? Pehle.
Actually, honestly speaking, the thing that had happened was that I was very cautious about selecting these kind of things. I'm always very cautious. And Anushka, I have known Anushka since like a long time. We recently found out we know each other since longer. Then what happened is that she had called and she's like, we have this, music video that's coming up, and would you be interested in this and that? And I was like, ठीक है बताओ मुझे. I was also really like I told you, unsure, uncertain कि क्या
Right.
exactly है. And I'm always excited to the fact of trying something new. So कुछ नया try करने मिल रहा था, and then she sent me the song and I was like, wow, this is really good and very. I got a very nice, calm, soothing, very against the flow vibe, because the situation is so anxious abhi. This corona thing and everything, it's so anxious and itna tension hai hawa mein. And this is very against that, ekdam like there's so much calmness, there's so much soothing, so much love coming out. So ये सुन के मैं बहुत relax हो गया था. I remember telling her, and then we were like, yeah, like she told us that we're going to shoot this and all that, and I was like, wow, okay, sounds cool. Let's try it, yeah. Let's see. I mean, see, the thing is, I'll never know if I don't try. So I also I was like, ठीक है, fine. Even at home, everyone was skeptical. भाई travel कर रहा है, क्या है? But Anushka, being the experienced pro, she guided me through this. So yeah, overall it was a beautiful, smooth experience.
No, I'm like old here and I'm like I have experience because I'm like I've done few music videos pehle, so I'm the boss and I'm going to teach you. ऐसा कुछ हुआ था?
Yes. Absolutely ऐसा हुआ है.
Liar!
Yeah,
That's what-
exactly ऐसा हुआ है. And मुझे मतलब fully complex मिला गया है shoot पे कि भाई जो भी मतलब everything ना हमें अपनी खुद की आधा ऐड करनी है. And I was not understanding कि भाई चल क्या रहा है. I was very confused. That amateur in front of a professional वाला feeling आ रहा था. And I was like, यार अभी I don't know what to do, man. Like trust me, like you go on set and you ask the crew members ना, they'll also tell you कि कौन क्या कर रहा था. And yes, I mean, see, I'll tell you, the truth is there कि भाई there was a lot of support, very good support. Like एक दो बार ऐसा हुआ था जहाँ पर there was some cues देने पड़ते ना when you're shooting. So cues के time पे she was making faces at me and I was like, क्या, why are you making faces? And I was like, hey, क्या, what?
ये पूरा उल्टा you have said, huh? You
What
this is
nonsense?
your see Binod is
Listen,
gonna
just
feel
because-
bad.
Hold
Whoever
on,
he is.
just because this is an interview doesn't mean that you have to always cover up. So then so ये सब हुआ and I mean it was damn sweet of them, honestly. They were asking me again and again. They were very caring. They were like, hey, are you having fun? Are you okay? Is there any stress? So yeah, I mean,
Me
कोई
also.
stress नहीं. It felt damn good. So yeah.
But now I have to, of course, ask you the way you also pointed out that shooting in the lockdown itself was like a difficult job. And tell me, like, how, matlab, kaise, like Anushka, you specifically, because you're the one who convinced him also. So tell me, like, what went through your mind when you sort of decided कि let's just do this and like कभी ना कभी तो निकलना ही है.
Correct. So, I have not been out of my house only. मतलब घर से ही मैं नहीं निकली हूँ since 4.5 months. And that's why I was like कि कब करना है, when should I take up a project or anything. And then finally, Desi Music Factory people called and this was my third video with them. So then उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं हम चंडीगढ़ में with full precautions and everything we're going to shoot. Even travel हम बहुत precaution के साथ करेंगे. तो फिर then, I asked my parents and we were discussing कि कैसे करना है या नहीं. And then when, I got convinced कि चलो ठीक है, I'll do it. I was worried कि how I'm going to convince Darshil about it because even he was not, traveling that much outside or anything. So I was like, chalo, I'll ask him. But, when I started talking to him about this project and he was very excited about, like he said, we want to try something new and all. And I really wanted, that, Pyar Na should have me and Darshil because I want to work with Darshil Safari since a long time. And that's why he was saying I know him since a longer time, which we realized recently, 9 years back, 9 years back I met him for the first time. So I've always wanted to work with him. So that's why I was like, if he says yes, I will actually feel really nice. But then he said yes, and then we traveled with full precautions. Darshil was wearing a PPE kit full on. It was so good. My dad was also wearing a PPE kit. Even I wore a PPE kit. And then, we took the
A
shield
very
and
stylish
everything.
one at that, okay? हम लोग सब ऐसे look के scientist के जैसे लग रहे थे. Look at the PPE kit that Anushka was wearing. You'll come to know everything has to be a fashion statement. Okay, like जो भी पहना है, it has to look cool, fashion, trendy, this, that. Or you should have seen us. So yeah.
Yeah, of
Right.
course. Of course.
Going around the internet with like the bum bag and all of that. But
man.
He did.
not like always. Okay, now I have to also, because you just mentioned, because I knew that you guys knew each other for like 4 years, but now 9 is like even longer. So tell me,
Yeah.
like, the first impression that you had of each other. बहुत पहले, like, if you don't remember that, tell me the one which you remember.
I'll tell you. So, Darshil is gonna make that face again. See, so, when Tare Zameen Par had come, I was also very young, and Darshil, you know how popular he was and everything. He used to come in my GK book. That's every time I tell him this, he's gonna make faces. But see, I have to tell you, GK book में आता था Darshil. मतलब, there used to be picture of Obama, there used to be picture of Darshil Safari. I used to always say, whoa, Darshil Safari. This is actually the truth. In my school. And then, I'm a student of Shamak Davar. So I, even Darshil. So, I was in JDC. And we had a performance where Mr. Darshil Safari, the child artist, was doing a solo performance, and JDC was the back dancer group. Imagine. And Darshil has like center se entry kar raha hai with, looking cool and all and doing all the steps and everything. I'll send you the video. It's funny.
No,
So then
bro, hello.
Darshil is coming like this. And then I'm dancing with all the group. Pura sabne red pehna hum logon ne, and I'm dancing right beside Darshil. So I was like, this is my dream come true. I met Darshil Safari, who comes in my GK book. मैं उसके पास में I have danced.
Nonsense.
I was very happy. Then few years passed, and then 4 years back I met him in that show where I was like, wow, he's the guest, I have to perform and all. I was very excited to see him. And then he was like, Arey Anushka, are you Anushka Sen from that show Balveer? So I was like so happy. I was like, whoa, dude, I actually total fangirl moment. See, I'm not gonna lie. So then we became friends and all, and then Abhi, now Darshil is like, I'm still a fan of Darshil Safari. Ishan
Keep
knows.
quiet.
But then I was very happy to work with him, because I actually have a bucket list जिसमें था कि work with Darshil, and that got ticked.
Wow. Now, Darshil, you have to tell me your first impression of her.
There was no first impression. I remember Balveer में I had seen. शामक में I don't realize. मुझे इतना याद है कि मैंने शामक में ना सबको irritate काफी किया था. We just danced. And I remember everyone being very like tired of me. So मुझे I think.
Please.
So then after that we met on some show. मुझे कुछ याद नहीं honestly. And then there I remember because घर पे Balveer used to come all the time, and my sister was a big fan. And my sister and I have had arguments about Balveer. Okay, because she'll watch repeat episodes, and I'm like, excuse me, I need to watch some, something else. So, so maybe like sometimes I used to watch, and then we met, and I was like, "You're from Balveer, right?" And she's like, "Yeah, I mean." And I don't know. Then we became friends. We spoke Shamak dancing, this, that, and then we were in touch. And uske baad finally. Like she said that she wanted to be a part of she wanted to shoot with me. So even I was excited, that okay, finally, after such a long time, I was also excited that I get to shoot with the Anushka Sen. PPE kit, the way she wore it, you can understand how excited someone would be. And then after that, no, it was. Overall, I knew exactly how it will be. That jo experienced hai and this amateur hai. So, this is exactly what has happened. And,
You wait.
देखते हैं अभी आगे. Let's see now. She said she doesn't want to
Let me tell you. जो वो बोला ना कि वो जो over the shoulder था, तो I was making faces. प्यार नाल में सबसे ज़्यादा हंस कौन रहा है? मैं हंस रही हूँ. You can see my eyes only. I'm laughing so much. मतलब मेरे को आंसू आ जाएगा इतना. I have laughed on this trip. I have never laughed so much. Honestly, हर shot I'm laughing. Same. And that's
Not
because Mr. Darshil Safari right here, Darshilia, he is making faces. And
This is so dumb.
बहुत सारे scenes ऐसे भी थे Darshil where I had to be ऐसा normal smile and he is making faces. He's like cut होने का good control हाँ Anushka good control.
Never ever. This has never happened. सबके सामने अगर guys, my image is being tarnished here. I am a very supportive co-actor. So please
He is. Of
support
course.
me in this.
It's because
Yeah.
I've seen another story that Anushka has recently put up, and I'm sure that's not from Pyar Nal and it's something else. The thing that was story. So I'm really excited about what's cooking, and I'm sure you guys are not going to reveal. So I'm not even going to ask कि क्या है, but I'm sure fans are super excited. But now, tell me one thing, because I saw Darshil's Instagram and I was like, कि अच्छा, he seems sort of new, and Anushka, as we know, is a pro at that. Have there been social media tips given to you, Darshil?
Yes, all the time, and even when I'm not asking for it, I've been given social media tips just because you're a pro. तो बहुत कुछ हुआ है इस तरीके से. But I'll tell you something ना, जो भी हुआ है ना, like I've always asked her कि you know, whenever these promotional things are happening, I really have no clue. Like you'll see me as an unpad, and I'll be so nervous ना in these times. So I'll call her, I'll be like, क्या post करना है, किसको tag करना है, ये tag क्यों करना होता है. Like most of my conversations are around this only. कि what is this entire concept? And मुझे आज तक ये समझ में नहीं आया, and I don't know कि कभी आएगा. But yeah, she helped me out on this. Like I'll tell you, credit is where it is due. Okay, maybe like even though she's like an unsupportive co-actor, but she's a very supportive friend also. So yeah.
Ouch. But thanks.
Okay, another thing is, Darshil, I want to ask you, because Anushka also mentioned कि she also had this image of you as the Tare Zameen Par Ishaan in her head, and now you know you are an adult, and like there are different projects which will come up to you. Do you have this thing of breaking that image of Ishaan? Because even today, I'm sure, like whenever you go out, so people are like, "Arey, like Ishaan and Tare Zameen Par," and that's just like there in everybody's mind, like stamped. And because the movie, of course, had a revolution in terms of every Indian parent letting their child be like, "कि नहीं जो करना है वही करो बेटा." So tell me, like, do you have this thing of like breaking that mold of Ishaan and coming out as Darshil even more?
See, like, मुझे honestly ना, I think that all this breaking mold and all this ना, उसमें ही overthinking हो जाता है. Like, I don't think you should put your head so much into that. Like,
Right.
पहले, of course, I remember this, that it was a very long time and still people are remembering as Ishaan. And I got bored of it, honestly. I was like, okay, fine, you know, like, kitni baar. But then later on, what I really realized, because when it's coming on TV, I'm getting like a lot of calls and everyone's calling and my mom is watching it and crying and everyone's crying. And then I realized that as a film, it has had a very good and a very positive impact. And the impact is that people remember it till today. And the good part about this is that I helped in giving this positive impact to these people, which makes me feel very happy. So now, if people remember me as Ishaan, anything, I'm okay with it. Like, if breaking the mold, breaking that image, I don't think that's much of an issue. Like, the plan for me, like I told you, is to keep doing new things, trying new things out. Something on the notes of what I've done before, where I can learn as well as have a positive impact on these people. I think that every actor के पास एक ऐसी, there's this ability that they can influence someone's life for the better. Even if you're playing a negative character, even if you're playing a positive character, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. So I really, like, I don't know, I'm just waiting for these opportunities to come and then trying my level best. I don't know how I'll do it, but let's see. And yeah, that's the plan. I mean, I don't, like, there's no worry. Even if for the other next 10 years, people are calling me Ishaan, there's no problem.
Okay. Now if you have to ask one thing to each other, as like you have to ask Anushka one question and Anushka you to Darshil, what would that question be?
How was your experience working with me on Pyar Nal?
Wow.
You have to say what we've rehearsed, huh? You can't say anything out of the box right now.
The truth I can't say. Oh. No, I will. I'll say the truth. So I'll say that. See, I was of course
quiet. No,
excited.
listen, Alo, hold on. This is a change of question. Okay, you're not answering this at all. I don't trust you. I wanna ask you, how was your birthday?
My
किशोर
birthday
कुमार
was.
का भी था.
हाँ, किशोर कुमार जी का भी बर्थडे था.
Did you give a
मेरे
tribute?
birthday. Yeah, actually my friend Darshil Safari did. So my
Okay,
birthday
fine.
was epic.
Okay. This question is also changed. I don't want to hear. I don't want to talk about
I
it.
knew
There's
this is
one
gonna
last-
happen. I know
Wait,
you're gonna do this.
Wait.
I know.
Okay. Hold on. There's a serious question. Okay. Tell me something that when you're shooting and when you're acting or whenever you're taking a video or something like that, how do you like? I've seen you that off camera you're a very energetic, chill, relaxed person. Like a
Correct.
friend. I irritate you, this that. But when you're on camera, there's this sudden shift in energy. There's this confidence and I don't know, man. This glamour, that question that comes up. Even when you shot Pyar Naal, I remember this.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so you practiced this before? Ki kya hai? Like, where do you get this determination from? This drive? So you tell me that.
Wow, good question and wow question. And I think it's because I've not practiced it before, but I think because of the work I've been doing for so many years, I think it has become like a practical on-set practice. Every time I'm like that. Every time it's like rolling tak I'm Anushka, but then action hote I switch to the character which is like Pyar Naal Hoya, whatever. So I think it's because of the experience and because of the work I've done before, and every time I'm like this. There are a lot of actors who are always in character, but I think I prefer being Anushka all the time, and just when we are shooting, switch to the character that is. Because that's fun, and I think
do you have any? Is there any trick or technique that we can help our viewers and me and Simran and everyone?
You. I think
there is a trick. Come on, I know you're not gonna tell us.
Yeah, it's a big secret, very big, like major secret.
And I forgot to tell you all that Anushka is damn pricey also.
Oh, damn what?
Pricey, very very pricey. कोई भी चीज
How
हो
is
ना.
that? Please explain that. It doesn't make sense.
Oh.
Explain that.
Okay, I was kidding. I take my words back.
Now, Anushka, you have to ask him a question.
Okay, so I will ask you
The
that
question is,
you
do I want to
do.
answer? Okay, sorry.
So I'm saying that you do plays, you do amazing plays. I've seen those plays and they're great. And then you did, this music video. You have done the movie and you have done a lot of work. So which is the type of work, or which is the type of work which you have enjoyed more, or it's your favorite probably plays or
See, I'll be
whatever.
very honest. I'll be very very honest. The thing is now that I get to act now, I enjoy it.
Correct.
Because before this, I've wasted so much time on thinking कि मुझे film करना है, theatre करना है, TV करना है, क्या करना है, and I've never got a clear answer on this. Because frankly, I'll tell you, where you get a good character, you'll not think about the. And the second thing being that if you like acting, you cannot be choosing कि हाँ मैं यहाँ पे ही acting करूँगा, मैं वहाँ पे ही acting करूँगा.
Correct.
Okay, frankly, it's where you get it. So for me, it's all that it's more on how I approach the story. I learned, so when I started doing theatre 4 years back, I learned how to write also here and there. I learned how to approach a character. And wo chakkar mein, I realized a lot of things about story and how people watch a film and what people want to take away from a film. So in that case, I realized that story is the most important thing. And then probably your character that you are doing, you put your 100% in the character. And then you do it, man. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's on TV or if it's on stage or if it's on the big screen, So I've always felt like that. And I'll tell you, like everything, all three of them have a different, they have a different USP to it. Like when you're on TV, when you're playing at all the households, it becomes a regular. It becomes something that, it's just on TV and you're just there with them, People think that you're living with them. That's
Correct.
one. when you're on the screen, I don't need to tell you, when you're on the screen, that bade parde pe seeing yourself, your face.
Yeah,
being looking
that's massive.
40, 50. And on stage, performing live in front of an audience and getting live
Yeah.
reaction in front of an audience.
Yeah.
Okay, the people are responding to what you're doing. And I've done
Correct.
mostly comedy plays. So I've
Yeah.
got like laughter reactions and this and that. And that is also something else altogether. So,
Yeah.
you're just supposed to look for the good in everything. And I feel that more importantly, the key lies in following your passion, which is acting.
Correct.
Going into this detailing, I want to break this image and I want to do only films and this and that.
Yeah.
Shouldn't matter. It's all about what you're choosing, what you're selecting, and putting your best in it.
Correct.
Amazing.
Thanks.
Guys, for doing this. Lastly, I want a quick message from the both of you for all your fans who've showered so much love for the song, and of course they can they expect something good if you can tell us a bit.
Of course. Thank you.
Rap
Thank
version
you.
of the song coming.
I really want people to hear your version of the song though.
Hey, quiet, yaar. Mat bolo ye sab.
He sings very well. So then, coming to the point, thank you so much, guys, for so much love to Pyanal. Honestly, the videos and everything I'm seeing on reels and posts and everything, edits. I really appreciate that. All the comments, like we were saying, we were discussing about that. I really appreciate it because 4.5 months ke baad we went and we, with all precautions, but we shot for it and we had a great time, of course. But we were, of course, the reaction is like a very major part of every project. So that reaction was amazing, and thank you for all the love. Thank you so much for supporting us and showering so much love. And of course, please expect something that's coming tomorrow. So that's amazing. Wow, it's coming tomorrow. Oh, but this is gonna come later on. So then it is out almost, guys. It's almost out. So please check it out. It's on my YouTube channel. There's something which is very fun, and I'm looking forward to it. Darshi, what do you want to say?
I just want to say, I want to thank everyone for their love. And really happy to see that people are having a good time. It's a good song, and many people have called me dur se, and they're like, the song is really nice. And I was just happy that, because that was the plan, honestly. I was not like, music video karna and this and that. My main focus was that it's a good song and it has to match the good song. So we've tried our best in doing that, and you all have given us the validation this is not bad, it's nice. And I want to thank you all for all this love, and it is your support that keeps me and I think even Anushka going. So future mein, despite whatever we are coming up with tomorrow, whatever on Anushka's channel, but saath mein, of course, now that you all have told me and now I've got the understanding about this, we'll definitely try more, and we'll try and getting this kind of content to you all, and it can be worth your while as well. So just happy that we are spreading some smiles and some happiness. So yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. All the best in whatever you guys do in the future. And thank you so much for doing this. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, Sam. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.